Now let's move on to the third problem. The first subdivision, given a equals 5, d equals 3, an equals 50, find n and sn. So we'll start with n. So an is given by a plus n minus 1 times d, and an equals 50. So 50 equals a is 5, 5 plus n minus 1 times, and what is d? D is 3. Therefore 50 equals 5 plus 3n minus 3, or 50 equals 2 plus 3n, or 50 minus 2 equals 3n, 48 equals 3n. Therefore n equals 16. So we have to find Sn now. Sn is sum of 16 terms because n is 16. So what is the formula for Sn? Sn equals n over 2 times a plus l, where l is the last term. So this is 16 over 2 times a is 5 and last term l is 50, and this is 8 times 55, or is equal to 440. So n equals 16 and s of 16, or sum of n terms, equals 440. Now let's move on to subdivision 2. Here a equals 7, a 13 or 13th term is 35, and we have to find d and s 13 or sum of 13 terms. So an is given by a plus n minus 1 times d, or an, which is 35, is given by 7 plus 13 minus 1 times, we have to find d. So this is 35 minus 7 equals 12d. This is 28 equals 12d, or d equals 28 over 12, 14 over 6, or 7 over 3. So common difference d equals 7 over 3. Now we know the value of d. We have to find sum of 13 terms. S13 is given by, Sn is given by n over 2 times a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. A equals 7 and l last term equals 35. So we can do it like this. S13 equals 13 over 2 times 7 plus 35, which is equal to 13 over 2 times 42. We can cancel this, and what is 13 times 21? S13 equals 273. So the answer is difference equals 7 over 3. Common difference d equals 7 over 3, and S13 equals 273. Now let's move on to subdivision 3. Here A12 is given. A12 equals 37, and d, common difference, equals 3. We have to find a, first term, and sum of 12 terms. Okay, so an equals a plus n minus 1 times d, or A12 equals a plus 12 minus 1 times 3. We know the value of 12th term. 37 equals a plus 11 times 3, or this is equal to a plus 33. Therefore a equals 37 minus 33, or a equals 4. Now we got the value of a. We can do sum of 12 terms. So what is the formula for that? Sn is given by n over 2 times a plus l, where a is the first term, or a equals 4, and l is the last term, 12th term. So L equals 37. Now we can substitute this in the formula, and value of n is 12. So S12 equals 12 over 2 times 4 plus 37. So this is to 6 times 41, or S12 equals 246. So the first term A equals 4 and S12, or sum of 12 terms, equals 246. This is our answer. Now let's move on to subdivision 4. Here A3 equals 15, S10, or sum of 10 terms, equals 125. We have to find D and 10th term. So we can start like this. An equals A plus n minus 1 times D, or An or A3 equals A plus 3 minus 1 times D, or we know the value of A3, 15 equals A plus 2D, or A equals 15 minus 2D. Let this be equation 1. Now what else is given? S10 equals 125. Sn formula is given by n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now this is S10 equals 10 over 2 times 2a plus 10 minus 1 times d, or 125, which is value of S10, equals 10 over 2 is 5, 5 times 2a plus 9d. This is 125 over 5 equals 2a plus 9d, and 25 equals 2a plus 9d. So we have 2a plus 9d equals 25. We'll substitute a equals 15 minus 2d from equation 1. So 2 times 15 minus 2d plus 9d equals 25. So 30 minus 4d plus 9d equals 25. 30 plus 5d equals 25. 5d equals 25 minus 30, or d equals 5d equals minus 5, d equals minus 5 over 5, or d equals minus 1. Now we know the value of d equals minus 1, and substitute d equals minus 1 in equation 1. So a equals 15 minus 2d, and substituting this value, a equals 15 minus 2 times negative 1, a equals 15 plus 2, or a equals 17. Now we know the value of a and d, so we have to find the value of a10. a10 equals a plus 10 minus 1 times d, d is negative 1, so a10 equals 17 plus 9 times negative 1, or 17 minus 9, so a10 equals 8. Now let's move on to subdivision 5. D equals 5, and S9, or sum of 9 terms, equals 75, and we have to find a first term and a9 the ninth term. Sn is given by n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, or S9 equals 9 over 2 times 2a plus 9 minus 1 times, what is d? D is 5. This is 9 over 2 times 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8, and 8 5s are 40. Now what we can do is take this 2 inside and divide both terms by 2. So we have S9, or S9 is 75. 75 equals 9 times a plus 20, and this is equal to 9a plus 180. So 75 equals 9a plus 180. So 9a plus 180 equals 75. 9a equals 75 minus 180. 9a equals negative 105, or a equals negative 105 over 9, and we can cancel this with by 3 3's and negative 35. So a equals negative 35 over 3. Now we got the value of a. Now we have to find a9. So an equals a plus n minus 1 times d, or a9 equals a is negative 35 over 3 plus 9 minus 1 times d is 5. So this is negative 35 over 3 plus 8 times 5. This is negative 35 over 3 plus 40, and if you simplify this, this is negative 35 plus 120 over 3, or a9 equals 85 over 3. So this is the value of ninth term. So a equals negative 35 over 3 and a9 equals 85 over 3. So this is our answer.